In today's video, I will walk you through how to make poster using basic shape in Canva. After creating a new Canva project, go to Elements and type Old Paper. Go to Photos and choose the design you want. Then drag into the canvas and increase the size to fit your canvas. Now go to Elements again and go to Shapes and choose the circle shape. Change its color and increase the size and place it in the middle of the canvas. Then add the text you want. You can also change its font and color to your preference. After that, go to Effects and choose Curve. Then place it inside the circle shape. After that, place your image inside the canvas. Increase its size and remove the background. Adjust your image so it fits your canvas. And that's how easy to make a poster in Canva using just basic shape.